Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest tech gear. Today, we've got something special for all you streamers out there: the FIFINE AM8 dynamic microphone. If you're looking to elevate your streaming game, this might just be the perfect addition to your setup. Now, before we dive into the details, let's establish one thing. Finding the right microphone for streaming can be a game-changer. You want something that not only delivers crystal clear audio but also adds that extra flair to your setup. And that's where the FIFINE AM8 comes in. First off, let's talk about audio quality. The AM8 boasts a frequency response of 50 Hz 16 kHz, ensuring a balanced audio range that resonates with your audience. Whether you're streaming games, recording podcasts, or engaging with your viewers, this microphone delivers clear and original vocals every time. But here's where it gets even better: connectivity options. With both USB and XLR connections, the AM8 offers versatility like no other. Simply plug and play via USB for hassle-free setup, or take it to the next level with XLR for professional-grade audio flexibility. The choice is yours. And let's not forget about style. The AM8 features customizable RGB lighting with 3 modes and over 10 color options, allowing you to match your microphone to your gaming setup for that perfect synergy. It's not just a microphone, it's a statement. But what about functionality? Well, the AM8 has you covered there too. With a handy mute button, tap-to-mute feature, and LED mute reminder, you can ensure privacy during live streams without missing a beat. Plus, the built-in headphones jack and monitoring volume control let you fine-tune your audio in real time. In summary, the FIFINE AM8 dynamic microphone is more than just a microphone, it's a game-changer for streamers. With its natural audio clarity, upgradable connectivity, customizable RGB lighting, and versatile functionality, it's no wonder why it's our top pick for streaming. If you're serious about taking your streams to the next level, the AM8 is the microphone for you. And that wraps up our review of the FIFINE AM8 dynamic microphone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gear. Until next time, happy streaming!